Hello, I'm Christophe Robin, hair colorist from Paris and founder of the Christophe Robin hair care line. And I'm going to show you how these French girls are taking good care of their hair. And you know what they want? They want low maintenance. They want to keep their hair clean all week long. So watch what's going on. Bonjour Caroline, ça va bien?
Oui, ça va.
So thank you for being Caroline. Caroline is French, and as you see, she's got concern that you may have to. She's got highlighted hair, so it's very dry, and she's curly. This kind of hair needs a lot of moisture and hydration, and her scalp is a little oily with a little itchiness. Ooh. So I'm going to show you how to take good care of your hair in few steps. The first one is before shampooing your hair, because nobody has time to leave a mask forever on your hair, is to use a good natural vegetable oil to apply onto the end as a pre-shampoo treatment to put back all the good lipids inside your hair. This should be in your hair for minimum 1 hour before you wash your hair. So why not putting it all night long or before you go to the beach or when you exercise? Let me show you how it works. So you don't have to put a lot. This one should last forever, but you have to apply that regularly. So you see, it comes a little solid like that. You have to rub it into your hands, and after apply it, especially on the dry parts. And it's not because your scalp is oily that your hands are oily. Most of the time you have oily scalp and dry hands. So that's why you have to put the oil onto the dry parts. Another little bit for the other side. And I'm going to show you a great tool that everybody should have home. It's one of my brushes with natural bristle. That's keratin, and keratin with keratin, they love each other. So you're going to brush the oil inside your hair, and it's a great way to help the oil to penetrate into your hair. Truly, if you have one thing to do to have a beautiful hair quality and a color that will last forever, is to apply minimum once a week that oil as a pre-shampoo treatment. And I'm going to make a teeny chignon. Voila, let's wait for a little while. So Caroline had the lavender oil for an hour, but once again, she could have left it on all night long. Now it's time to wash her hair. So the first thing is always to really detangle your hair before washing your hair. I'm going to wet her hair, take a little amount of a sea salt scrub that I rub into my hand before applying it onto her scalp, adding a little water little by little to emulsify. As you can see, I'm not rubbing at all the ends. I take the time to rinse very well. You should always rinse very well all of your shampoos, because if you leave a little coat of product onto the scalp won't be able to breathe, and it's going to become greasy. It's going to secrete sebum to push out all the residues. Now that I've rinsed the scrub very carefully, I'm going to take a little bit of detangling jelly that I'm going to mix with a Shade Variation Care Baby Blonde. And I'm going to apply it onto the hands. It's going to nourish her hands, and at the same time, it's going to enhance her blonde, avoiding all of the yellow tones that you don't want to see on a beautiful blonde. After letting that on for 5 minutes, I'm going to rinse very carefully. Once again, always rinse very carefully all of the things you put onto your hair. So before drying her hair, because as you see, she's curly, so we're going to straighten it up. And to be sure to protect her hair, to avoid the breakage and as a heat protection, I'm going to apply my daily hair cream with sandalwood. Rub it in. It's very liquid, it's not greasy or sticky at all. It's going to penetrate deeply inside her hair to protect her hair while we do the blow drying. I ran to give it a little natural wave. I don't touch the hands too much, but just a little bit, and I don't leave it on for long because I don't want to dry her hair. So for dehydrated hair like those ones, because of the blow dry and the highlight, it looks amazing. And thanks to the sea salt scrub, she's going to keep her hair clean for a little while. And voila, she's done.